artists! Today we are going to draw something super sweet and colorful, a candy house. Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a swirl candy. Draw a big circle and then make a spiral swirl inside it. Now, let's draw a candy cone. Draw a curved candy stick next to it. Now, let's draw the roof of the candy house. Draw a big rounded roof under the candies. Draw a chimney on top of the roof. And on top of the chimney, draw a soft cotton ball shape. It looks like sweet candy cream. Now, let's draw the walls of the house. Under the house, draw some cute little candies on the ground. Yummy. Now draw a big rounded door in the middle. Next, draw 2 windows. One window on the left and one window on the right. Nice job, everyone! Our candy house drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork really pops. Wow! It's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color our candy house. Show your color cans. Today we will use beautiful rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. Your candy house looks amazing! I hope you had fun drawing with Toddlers Art Hub today. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep creating beautiful art. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye, little artists!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.